You see what's going on, man? I'm back in with another YouTube video. In today's vlog, it's gonna be like a little vlog. I think it's gonna be like, I don't know if I'm gonna make two separate vlogs or I'm gonna make one big vlog. But anyways, let me sit y'all niggas down.
Uptown, downtown, uptown, downtown, uptown, downtown.
In today's vlog, we're going to Jarvis. Then after Jarvis, right, we're going, me and my partner is going to like a car show. It's something about Trackhawks, Hellcats, all that fast. We there. Come at. Yeah, so today's vlog, we just going to Jarvis real quick for today. You know, spend the night up there. Then I gotta wake up at 8 o'clock a.m. to drive all the way to Fort Worth to do this car shit. So these vlogs gonna keep coming because your boy Huncho Deezy is gonna be consistent nowadays. Cause nigga, I'm trying to get a motherfucking Hellcat track down this.
Hellcats and Trackhawks. Let's get it.
But you know, all that being aside, CTV. I went to that Yellow Belly. That nigga was most definitely dogging his shit. Right now, y'all cut my hair. Hey, not too much right here, cause y'all niggas know about my situation I'm going through. And how dare y'all talk about me? But yeah, I cut my hair on some shit. To me personally, I think I did good. I don't know if I can see this shit, but yeah. Me personally, I feel like I did great. By the way, what you talking about? Slightly, politely. Yeah, putting you down. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. This the outfit for the night at Jarvis. Yeah. I'm kind of tired. I've been ripping and running around this shit. I don't know. Man, twin, this my nigga, the Juice. Got into some shit, twin. Alright, YouTube, we back and we getting some shit so we can get on the road. It's dark, as y'all niggas can see. We just had a little altercation in the room, got some shit. YouTube, we was at Brahms. We had to make a pit stop, right? We had to go. This nigga.
So boom, look me up a little bit.
Nigga, nobody hear what the f you said.
Alright, now for the dead ass.
Nigga,
That shit nasty. I'm gonna go to get a Sprite. I got me a shake. I got 2 drinks in the car. I don't even know my order number. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Oh, never mind. 254. 254.
Something like that might have been the nastiest sweetie I've ever tasted. I swear.
But it wasn't sweet.
But that shit was nasty.
Had like an aftertaste.
Like, that shit was just nasty.
Niggas getting soda. That's y'all problem is right now. That's like why you got diabetes. That's the only soda I drink. You need to stop drinking soda. You too, bro.
I don't drink.
Stop drinking soda, twin.
Gas station, I get a Sprite.
I ain't gonna. Every time I hit the gas station, I get a Sprite.
It's literally just the
That's
best.
right.
Or a Minute Maid.
I ain't gonna lie. That's the only soda I drink in life. It's Sprite now. Now dark soda, especially Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola can kill somebody. They got acid in their drink. We had brown food. I got me a double cheeseburger with bacon. No lettuce or tomatoes. I don't eat all that shit.
On the Lakers.
To me, 3 notifications that I spent money. Like, Gary, you gotta remind me. I've never heard of Mopar Heaven.
I mean, it's my first time. Hey, Mopar Heaven, we are coming tomorrow. Me and my boy. You got this nigga right here. You got this one over there. And also, my sister is coming, so yeah.
It's all going in the same blood.
Nah, I was trying to make Jarvis a different vlog, post that one, then make, so I can have two different vlogs. But, this is too short? What'd she say? What'd he say? I was number 224, 245, 254. Oh yeah, right there. Hey, that's me. I need some brown sauce and a ranch, cause I can't eat no sandwich without no ranch or brown sauce. I hate when people only give you one or something. Nigga, give me two. I'm not little. You see how big my body is? Like, damn.
The littlest nigga here, by the way.
Look at him and then look at him.
So what's that? Like, let me show me y'all outfit. Like, break down the outfit for today. Just going first.
Little tee,
Collar tee.
shirt pants, ice whites.
Ice whites. Okay.
Nike tape.
Nike tee. Okay, what about you?
So we got Nike ski.
Tired.
We got beats on head right now, but we're not worried about that.
I'm like,
We got your hoodie. Hold on.
okay.
Then we got casual skinnies. We got white
White
forces
and
on. We
that
got two
ATL shit.
Yeah, it was. We got
Look
the
cool,
tee on,
graphic
so-
tee.
Some little cool shit though, like cool casual collector shit. Hold on, I got you. Hold on.
You know, I got me a little, yeah.
Okay.
This jacket, Yeah.
Type shit. Okay.
I'm gonna put the link in the bio where I can buy these jackets from. So, you know, some shit. Got a little cool, great fitted pants. And rocking that with the hooks.
The
My forces, you know, in the car. You know, France, shit up to the
Oh.
See what you are.
My shit is, bro.
I don't slime shit out. I'm a man of God, as y'all can see on my neck. I got a godly neck. By the way,
They got the throw to God.
no. You pushing. You pushing.
You got to throw to God.
It's gonna take us. That's how long it's gonna take us.
It would look bad.
Ooh, brother.
It look bad.
Yeah, man. I'll meet y'all niggas once we get the drivers on the road, so yeah.
He locked it.
What you want, twin?
Why the fuck you look like that?
Yeah.
I'm ready to drink. I just took a BC powder. I'm ready to get fucked up.
I'm ready to get fired out. Yeah, nigga, we all got blood.
Let me get on this. Hi, vlog. I look a mess. Wait till I put some
Looking at.
I always do that.
You leaving your stuff in here? This is right now. Alright. Well, we done made it to Jarvis.
Facts.
But I'm finna I don't know where we finna go. Tired, bitch. What is BD? Huh? What is BD?
DD?
Yeah, BD.
Huh? Who the DD?
You? Designated driver? Oh, dude, I'm the designated driver today. Yeah, I'm with the gang. These niggas.
What's the tea? They want to damn door. They was
That shit.
Yeah, they put up deep in the bag.
You know it.
Damn.
We got Brianna in this here.
Who? Hey guys.
Brianna. We got Camber.
Hey, yeah.
And we got Lady Professor over there.
Chill.
Lady Professor.
I am not the little professor. You can say anything else but that. Like, come on now.
Alright, man. Let me fill y'all in some shit, right?
Okay.
We got a party started at 10. We got her at 10, something. The person that invited us, right? She ain't even dressed.
Subscribe to my YouTube.
Think you finna get a free promo? This the person that invited us. She ain't even got no shoes on. She still doing her goddamn hair. Her goddamn clothes on, twin. What, man, what moolah you been getting?
I do makeup. I realize.
Where your fit, twin? That's it? That's what she's wearing to the party? Yeah, you better not come nowhere around me talking about my homeboy. I'm a this clean. I'm trolling. Nigga, I'm trolling.
It's okay, I'm gonna put that shit on.
Oh my gosh. I'm going home.
Where you going? I don't know where
Away from this motherfucker. I think Bree.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Do me a favor. My bag.
How about you going there?
No. Do me a favor.
Why you wanna go in there again?
Do me a favor.
Why you wanna go in there again? Okay, my fault. Okay, damn.
Okay, go in my bag, right? Kim, you got Q-tips? On the... Just grab my bag, right here. Can I have some?
Where is y'all bag?
The red one on the floor.
How many y'all niggas back in there? So yeah. ain't gonna lie, me too. We do gotta wake up early in the morning.
You just gotta go back to commerce.
It be niggas like this. The reason why niggas had road rage, twin. Like, the speed limit, goddamn, as you can see, motherfuckers like 75. We going 67. Like, what's up with you, bro?
Pussy rap bad boy.
Alright, man, we done made it to the goddamn Hellcat Heaven. By the way. Let me show y'all. Like, I feel like I ain't been in the other car.
We've been in this house.
I ain't gonna lie, we been in this house. Nigga, we slept in this bitch.
No bullshit.
Went to Jarvis and slept in this hoe, no bull. She was hit?
She was sleeping out close.
What the fuck?
She was taking all them shots.
I need my wallet. My fault I'm taking so long. I'm just a boy. It just sound like heaven. Fast shit, everywhere. I don't know what this is. Oh, he got, yeah, I don't know what this is. But anyway. Bring my fellow peoples to a car meet. Oh my God. Yeah, he's burning rubber right now.
They got an SRT 10
for sale. I know that her kind of. Oh no. But I know y'all don't want to see me walking, so. And y'all didn't watch this channel to watch me talk, but I think I give a fuck. So
What do we got?
I don't know.
That's really big.
Let's ask people. Like we too early, but at the same time it look like we on time. So we won't get caught in that traffic. That 300 tough. But I'm gonna hit y'all niggas when we get to the thing. So she talking about she outside looking at us, nigga. No. Alright, we done made it inside the motherfucking Tonto though. This a nigga first time at this hood. Okay, today's video, there's a lot going on to him. We out here side with a lot of fast shit, as you can see. It's the red dot beeping. Okay, we got a motherfucking Hellcat by the way. I need to get a quick, come on.
I'm finna hop on my car.
That's how I stayed in there for you. Come at
2026, we taking over.
take it over.
We gonna let y'all have this year. We gonna get to it, grind a little bit.
We gonna let
y'all have that shit this year. 2026, we taking over. No bullshit.
Yeah, me and my partner, bro, we done had some rough times. I ain't gonna lie. We done had some rough shit.
What's about door on door shit? Slide.
Hey, just tune in this YouTube video. Just tune in. We got them niggas right here. Everybody and shit. And this motherfucking purple torches. Purple torches. Promo for the purple torch. What you talking about?
I got some.
This shit's hard, man. He gonna be a car head. He ran over there. Bavar? They started this one. This whole sound nasty. Yeah. bar. Damn. Swing that burn his shit. I ain't never seen no wild body YouTube, there's so much shit going on. Like, look at all this shit. I'm surrounded by everything. Nigga, you think of it. It's here. You think of it, it's here. Think about it, it's here. It's so tracky on this. I ain't gonna lie, bitch. I don't even know what that shit is. Man, it's some fast shit out here. Yeah. This, oh my God, I'm gonna. This is insane. I have this car but in a fucking V6 model. Literally. Oh my.
He's following my instructions. I told him to put it right here. He caved. All right. That's what I like. He's doing that real slow. That's what I'm talking about right here. Is throwing that thing right now. Flag movement looking graceful, bro. I don't know, man. This could be a heavy hitter right here. Already getting close on that first lap. I love it. Taking the big slides around this place. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know if this helps during the burnout count, but at least he's putting on the show. I need to see the smokiest burnout right now. Oh, so I use 20, you owe me 20? I guess so. We're cut even. Yeah.
They got having twins?
You can buy a lot of diapers for $1,500.
I just want to know how he's got that dummy staying up there. That thing would have blew off my car. Does he know he's having twins? Or is he figuring this out in real time?
Right now,
I didn't even think about that. Right, he was just like, wait, why am I seeing two colors? On it down, this is last time to remove them tires. Poor baby mama said no mas.
He's having a leprechaun or
Yeah, it's
Easter
green
bunny.
now for St. Patty's Day. This is what happens when you get your gender reveal tires from Temu. They send you the value pack. Yo, this is nuts. Y'all like this? Y'all quiet as hell. Y'all like this? Make some noise. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what kind of baby he's having anymore. Oh, he wants the noise. Make some noise. You better make some noise. He'll blow him off. I know this guy.
Let's see these tires pop. Let's see these tires pop. I know you want it.
sexy. Yeah, this some tires I get on my shit. I done named that great B on ass. Look at somebody, you talking about. Look.
75, 40,
Yeah, I don't know if we finna leave though. So that hood's gonna come up. Wow. Once again, I don't know if they doing a burn it up? Oh, Vari, you can hear the whine. You can hear the whine from all the way over here.
What is that?
What?
That was just one.
Yeah, that's right there. That 300. Bro, this shit is amazing. This shit is amazing. This shit is amazing. I love your car. Oh my God. That's a female. Man, twin. This is gonna make a nigga fall in love with CTSV. Fuck this motherfucker. Yeah. Oh, it's a female. It's a female driving this. This hoe smells definitely bone stock. But y'all, I don't know if this finna end the vlog here. But I might end up in the vlog here. My goddamn ears ringing, and I just, didn't try my goddamn self. So, with that being said, I will catch y'all niggas in the next YouTube video or the next clip. I don't really know yet, but I'll catch y'all niggas in the next. After what? Okay, like I was saying, that will continue the video of this day. So I will catch y'all niggas in the next vlog. And hey, had a great time tonight. I'm about life, I love it. So, but anyways, oh shit.
That bitch is on you.
Oh, look at this. Like I said, once again, with that being said, I will talk to y'all in the next video.